G'day everyone, Uncle Jojo. Great to see you all again. Last week we looked at lifting timber on site. So we did a very quick, easy, simple lift, and we were squatting down and we were lifting up, engaging our core. This week what we're going to do is we're going to do a quick one on engaging the core and moving the timber up onto our shoulder. We move the timber up onto our shoulder because it actually can help move the timber around the site, especially if we're working over the joists. So initially we pick up the timber the same way, we squat down and we lift it up. If the timber is too hard for you to lift off the ground, a little trick I do is put the end of the timber onto the ladder. Voila, here's one I prepared earlier. Then from there we can squat and get under the timber and use the entire body to lift it. So from there, our core is engaged, all of the chain of the mechanism is in place. So from here, I use my arm to hold the timber in place and I use my shoulder to keep it off my neck. It's a good thing I got fat shoulders. From there, when we want to put it down, we make sure that we roll our arm behind us and we catch it. Then from there, we can catch the timber in our forearm and then we can turn the timber in, we squat down, and then we roll our timber onto our sawhorses or whatever else. We want to try always to keep our timber, if we can, onto sawhorses, but we definitely need to keep it off the ground. So I always have timber chocks underneath my timber. We don't want that moisture getting into timber. Another story for another time. Any questions or queries about, let me do that again. Any questions or queries about how to lift timber on site? Let me know as quickly as possible and I will get onto it rad quick. Rad quick. That was a new word I just made up. And you look like you're wearing a wig still. Thanks for watching. Any questions or queries, flick them over and I'll answer them for them best I can, whenever I can. And like always, stay unreal banana peel and I'll see you in the suit.